Hey friends, if you wish to fix login issues on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution will be to disable fast startup. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Select changes that are currently unavailable. If this is checked, then uncheck it. Click on save changes and then you can restart your computer as well. So this is one part, but what if a third party software is causing the problem? So to isolate that part, here's what you can do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Select services. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Now it will restart with all the services off, so you won't face any problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.